Hello, it's Brandon, and we have successfully created the shop. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to add a product category as well as add 3 new products into the category. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go straight to catalog, go to categories, and on this top right here, you're going to press new category, and we're going to go with backpack. And we have a photo here ready. I'm going to use the silver backpack. Same one. Coolest backpack in town. Save. After that, all you need to go is straight to product to add a new product. We're going to be adding one right up here. We're going to be using the photos that we have available to us. Description. North Face Pack. We have however many you have in stock. I'm going to put the price. No, it's a very expensive backpack, and we're going to put it in a category. It's not going to be in home. We're going to put it in backpack. We're going to save it. Save it. We're going to want to let it go online. We forgot to add a name. Save that. Looks like we're good to go, and I'm going to be adding 2 more. After we've put price, quantities, and everything, we're going to want to change the shipping, dimension. And you can put in delivered. After all that is done, save. Back to products and see that all 3 items are up and running. Thank you.